How to remove retweet from your profile on your Twitter application. This tutorial will work on your mobile application, so be you are using Android or iOS, it's the same step. It's following the same step. And this is how. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Okay, here you go. Just open your Twitter application first, and from there just go to your home feed and choose which tweet that you wanted to retweet. Just click the retweet button next to the comment button. You can choose quote tweet or retweet. If you are using quote tweet, you can add more media, you can add more content, you can add caption to it. And if you just want to just plain retweet, someone else's tweet, just click retweet. Now, there are two ways for you to actually remove your Twitter retweet there. You can choose undo retweet by clicking the retweet button first, or you can choose to click the three dots button on top of the retweet and then choose delete tweet. Just confirm that you just want to delete the retweet, and that's pretty much how you remove retweet from your Twitter. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at TechTricks to cover, do not hesitate to put it in the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, take care and goodbye.